Good morning from Singapore. So, woke up this morning about 6. Got up, had a coffee, some toast, peanut butter in the hostel, and yeah, I felt good after getting a night's sleep. I probably got about six and a half solid hours, and yeah, I was feeling energized and fresh. So look where I ended up. I'm currently 6k into a run. I'm after coming around the south side of the Marina Bay, and yeah, I'm going to go up the other side there now, up along by the famous Marina Sands Hotel, and back around the other side of the water. So yeah, crazy I'm doing this on my first morning here, but it's what I came here to do, lads. Have a nice day. So some might ask, why Singapore? Why the other side of the world? But why not? Look around, lads, just fucking nature everywhere. Lovely parks all along by the water. So many different tracks and trails, and it's a mix of modern and nature, and that's what I love. Getting out in nature and clearing the head, because at the end of the day, the fresh air and the exercise is what keeps us alive. So yeah, some might call me mad, they might be right. Some might call me delusional, they're 100% correct. But at the end of the day, I'm just doing me, living my life, enjoying everything. You have the absolute beast. That is one of the most famous hotels in the world, the Marina Bay Sands. 3 towers of pure fucking luxury. And yeah, there's a sky deck up there as well. A few cocktail bars, restaurants, and they have like an infinity pool on the roof as well. Don't ask me how many floors it is, but I reckon it's about 50 plus. But yeah, what a start. I only got here last night after 7-hour flight to Doha from Dublin, and then another 8-hour layover in Doha before an 8-hour flight from Doha to Singapore. So I got here last night, got the MRT metro from the airport to Jelang, where I'm staying in a capsule hotel. So yeah, I woke up this morning in a fucking double capsule, which was strange but nice, you know. And yeah, here we are, lads. This is what we came for. Keep active in a beautiful city full of nature. Where in the world would we be without nature?